How to fix apps keep crashing or apps closes while opening them on Android. So if you want to fix the apps that keep crashing, then the first thing you need to do is you just need to check your storage. So open up your settings at first. Once you open the settings, scroll down, and here you need to simply go for the storage. You will have RAM and storage space. Tap on that, and then you need to go for manage storage. Make sure that your storage is not full, because if your storage is full, then you won't be able to open any applications or simply do anything on your mobile device. So check your storage, and if your storage is okay or if it's not full, then you just need to go back, and under settings you need to go for the app. Under apps, tap on Chrome and open up your Chrome in your settings, and go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. And once you've cleared your Chrome cache, now you need to go back, go for see all apps, and then here you need to search for an application which is Android System Web View. And if you have this application, then this application might be involving with some applications. So what you need to do is simply go for storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage. Tap on delete and clear your storage, and this might fix your problem. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to go for the application in which you're facing the problem. So for example, if I'm facing a problem with my calendar application, then you just need to open that application, go for storage and cache, and do the same thing like clear cache and clear storage. And once you've done, now if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to go and uninstall the application. So if you have an application like this, then you will have uninstall option. Simply go for uninstall and uninstall the application, and once you've uninstalled, you can again go for the Play Store or App Store and install the application, and it might fix your problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes on how to fix the app keeps crashing on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.